Hi, today I want to show you how to fix this Google Chrome browser big and bold dark font issue. Let's fix it. Go to Spotlight search and find font book. After click on that application and then check any exclamatory mark in that font book. See, exclamatory mark is there. You need to fix this manually or automatically, but thousands of font is there, so you can't resolve this automatically or manually once for all. To fix this issue, go to menu, go to edit and look for enable duplicates. Click on that option. After click resolve automatically button. After that click OK. See, problem has been fixed already, but you need to wait for confirmation from Fontbook. Fontbook asks for your system password. Please enter your system password and click remove. Please wait until this exclamatory mark disappears. See, that exclamatory mark has been disappeared. Now problem has been fixed. After that close that Fontbook window. See, problem has been fixed. You can cross check problem is fixed or not. So relaunch Google Chrome browser. See, problem has been fixed.